How to fix Steam purchase error. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam purchase error that sometimes happen when you try to buy a game or add funds to your wallet. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Steam app on your computer or go to the official website at store.steampower.com on your browser right here. And make sure you're logged into your account, but if you don't have a Steam account yet, you'll need to sign up first. So one of the most common reason for purchase error is an issue with your payment method. All you have to do is to go to the top right, click on your account name and choose account details. And from here, you just have to click on add a payment method or edit your existing card or PayPal details. Make sure your billing information matches your bank or card. If payment still fails, and you still see such things as this, all you have to do is to try clearing your Steam, download cache, and in the Steam app, all you have to do is to click Steam in the top right corner or top left corner rather, and go to the settings, then downloads, and then select clear download cache. This refreshes your Steam client and may fix the issue. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary block on your card as well. So try using a different payment method such as PayPal, Steam Wallet Code, or another debit or credit card. You can also try switching from the Steam desktop app to the website to complete the purchase, or you can also try from website to the Steam desktop app. And if none of these steps work, go to this help.steampower.com and log into your account and open a support ticket. Steam support can help resolve payment or account issue directly. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.